Are you seeing adoption? Because I love speech analytics. I think it's just...
We are seeing more adoption today. We're still not seeing the type of adoption that I might have expected. You know, in the early days of speech analytics, when we first started offering speech analytics, I guess 7 years ago or more, everybody loved it. It was one of those, wow, this is the coolest thing, and nobody had budget for it. So, you know, we could spend 3 days demoing it and everybody loved it. And it's like, well, you know, what's your budget for speech analytics for next year? And it's like, well, we don't have one. So it's accelerated slowly. But it's now gotten to the point where everyone's interested in it, and the adoption rate is growing every single quarter. And what we think is that speech analytics in the past, because speech analytics is a verb and not a noun, speech analytics is really something you do. It's not just a product you buy. Some of the speech analytics products have been a little difficult to use, and you need like an army of speech scientists and analysts to really, nothing against analysts, but analysts to really make it work. So we think with our new conversation analytics products, both Conversation Analytics Now and the Conversation Analytics Post-Call product, because it's completely integrated into our product and easy to use and easy to get some immediate ROI from, we think the adoption is going to be much higher and the satisfaction rate is going to be higher also.
Well, exactly. So when we were talking about gamification earlier, same thing. I think now that people understand what gamification is, it was an RFP checkoff item that they didn't do, speech analytics same way, that when you can prove that ROI and show those immediate results and be easy to use, that I think your adoption is going to go way up.
And another huge thing about the speech analytics products is all the other products that we've seen in the past haven't focused quite on allowing the customer, the end user, to easily adjust their accuracy rate on the speech analytics to achieve what's best for them, for their business, their queries, their acronyms, etc. One of the things that's built into our speech analytics is when you're configuring it using plain end user AIs, you're able to adjust the accuracies on it so that you can achieve a high level of accuracy as high as you can without a bunch of false alerts. And that's important also, because people sometimes forget that the very best speech analytics in the world today is still only 80 or 90% accurate. So sometimes people have higher expectations than they should, perhaps, for speech analytics. Humans are only 90-some% accurate with speech analytics because of accents and, you know, hearing things correctly.
Thanks, Jim. We're out of time now, but it was great talking to you and finding out what Noble's doing now and what they're going to be doing in the future, and I look forward to talking to you about it again.
It's been great talking to you. Thanks.